Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a declaration form. First, understand its specific purpose, whether for legal, financial, or personal use. Next, identify all the crucial information you will need to include, such as names and dates. Finally, gather any supporting documents like identification or proof of address before you begin filling out the form. This thorough preparation saves valuable time and ensures accuracy. Every declaration form requires specific sections. Begin with personal details, including your full name, current address, and contact number. Then, clearly state the declaration's purpose and the specific facts you are affirming. Remember to include designated spaces for the date, your signature, and, if necessary, a witness's signature and details. These elements are fundamental for validity. Filling out the form is straightforward. Start by accurately entering all your personal identification details into the designated fields. Next, carefully read each section and provide truthful, concise answers to every question. Take your time to ensure clarity and precision. Before signing, thoroughly review the entire form for any errors or omissions, as accuracy is paramount. Before finalizing, double-check that all required fields are completed and all necessary signatures are present. It is always wise to make at least one copy of the completed form for your personal records. Finally, submit the declaration form through the specified official channel, whether it is online, by mail, or in person. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your declaration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.